Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight I'm going to make a Asam Pedas fish head, and I am going to make use of a grouper fish head, a beautiful grouper fish head I have. So you wash the fish head and then you sprinkle with a little bit of salt, and then after which we will actually send it into a steamer. You can use any steamer you have, and we will actually prepare the Asam Pedas broth separately. So this is what we need for making the Asam Pedas broth. As the name suggests, Asam Pedas, you will need some blended chili. Yeah? I use fresh chili, approximately about 2 to 3 big fresh chili here, blended. Then this is actually very, very important. This is actually half of the ginger torch flour. Now you will actually notice that I actually mince the ginger torch flour. Why? Because by mincing by chopping it into finer pieces here, you will actually get to release the flavor of the ginger torch flour better later. And this is some Daun Kesum, Vietnamese coriander. Yeah, this will also give it some unique flavor. So Asam Pedas, the unique flavor actually comes from ginger torch flour and also the Vietnamese coriander or Daun Kesum. After that, we will need some minced herbs here. I have some minced ginger, fresh coriander roots, galangal, garlic, and also shallot. Yeah. And also not forgetting we will need some Asam puree. This is actually very important. Right? Asam puree. And we will need some Belacan, roasted Belacan powder. And also my cooking up 100% chicken powder, which you can actually get it from Shopee on both Malaysia and Singapore. And zero MSG, zero preservative, very good for your family. Yeah. I almost forgot, you want to prepare few chunks of tomato as well. So we will give it some oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons to start with. After which you want to saute all your herbs, ginger, fresh coriander, galangal, and shallot. Of course, not to mention our ginger torch flour. We want to also saute your chili paste. If you find it too dry, feel free to add in a bit more oil. And let's saute this combination for a couple of minutes before we continue. We will come back shortly. So this is after approximately 3-4 minutes sauteing under medium heat, and you will find all the chili oil has already released. And it is super fragrant right now, which is to add in some chicken stock. So how do you make chicken stock? It's basically very simple. I have 1 bowl of hot water here, of which I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of my chicken stock powder. Give it a stir, and it is done. Very aromatic chicken powder, natural ingredient. Done. After which we are going to pour in the chicken stock. I'm putting in the tomato, some roasted, 1 teaspoon of roasted Belacan, and approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of tamarind or Asam puree, yeah, or Asam paste. All the ingredients I use, I will put inside the list, yeah, in the video description. You can find from there. Ooh, I can hear my steamed fish is done. Also put in the Vietnamese coriander. Now we are going to give it some seasoning. The Belacan powder is already salted, so we still have to add in a little bit of salt. and some sugar. So this is some sugar to balance it. And you will need to put in some fish sauce, Vietnamese, my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. And there you go. Let it cook for a couple of minutes, and basically our Asam Pedas paste is ready. Why is it I actually cook the fish separately? Because I prefer to keep a nice color from the fish. You can choose to cook your fish inside the Assam here. Yeah, totally up to you. Right? Our Assam is done. Now you can see very clearly here why is it I want to steam my fish separately. You can see all this steamed fish water. This is the source of fishiness. So I don't want all this fishy water. I will actually take it out. So that is the good thing about steaming your fish separately in this particular dish. So I have put the fish head into a serving plate. Then we can actually drain the whole fish with the Asam Paste broth. Wow. Right, if you prefer darker color, do feel free to add a bit of either light soy sauce or some dark soy sauce. Up to you. This is your home dinner. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen. So I hope you like my very simple video today. This dinner only takes me less than 15 minutes. I hope you like if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Come cook with Appa every day. Bye-bye.